Hey, thanks for making it to Veterans Info Tap. I'm glad you made it. How does $150,000 or more per year sound to you, right? For some of us, that would be tripling our income in some cases. And, it could be a better job too. I have talked about this organization several times, and I'm going to continue to talk about them because I think it is just a good way to open up the mindset to different options for veterans. Also, that could get paid for by post 9/11 or vocational rehabilitation, formerly now Veterans Readiness and Employment. That is a great program, two great programs, right? Post 9/11 as well, that can actually leapfrog you into a well paying career. The Automobile Dealership Institute is a great organization that really steps forward to help vets get the jobs out there. And I wanted to share a little bit of information about them. So please hit the thumbs up, subscribe, share with a friend, all that good stuff. I really appreciate it. I'll drop information in the comments and in the description. They have a veterans page, which is nice, and some veteran testimonials. I've also talked with the folks over there as well. So one of the great things here is that in today's world, not everything is requiring this 4-year degree or I need to get a master's degree in whatever. Sure, there are those jobs out there, but not everybody is looking for that. The Automobile Dealership Institute, what they do is they hyper focus on one specific job, and that's essentially the finance manager at dealerships, not just automobile dealerships like the name suggests, but really any type of dealership. It could be motorcycle dealership, it could be RV sales, it could be tractors, it could be anything like that that would function some sort of a financing mechanism. Finance managers make good money. When I was back in the mortgage industry, I had friends that were finance managers, and the mortgage industry fell apart in 2007, 2008, and I was about that close to moving over into the automotive finance world. So one of the great things about it is it's a 30-day program where they slam you through, they feed you all the information you need, get you up to speed, and then they help you find that job that you're looking for with whatever dealership throughout the U.S. So if you want to be in Georgia, North Dakota, Wyoming, California, Texas, Florida, New York, wherever you want to be, they will help you land a job there, which is super great. Now, one of the things that I wanted to do here is read a little bit off of their veterans page, even though you could go there directly, but I wanted to share it with you so you're aware of what this organization can do. So, it says here, licensed and government approved. The only F&I school to accept the post 9/11 GI Bill. Our helpful VA liaison, so they have a liaison there to help you, is ready to help you and will handle all required paperwork to use your VA educational benefits. Veterans who qualify for post 9/11 GI Bill can apply for full tuition assistance and generous allowance for housing and expenses. The course is Monday through Friday, and it's a full day course. 5 days a week, and all the materials will be included. You'll receive a finance management diploma, expert nationwide job placement assistance with over 90% job placement rate, which is also great. There's a couple other sections in here regarding the eligibility for post 9/11, which a lot of us know, but you can also work with them and the VA. Also moves on here to say that Automotive Dealership Institute offers admitted veterans and service members access to the federal shopping sheet under the executive order on establishing principles of excellence for educational institutions serving service members, veterans, spouses, and other family members, which is pretty great. And you can contact them directly and ask them. Look, here's my thing. Even if you're not 100% sure, have a conversation. Reach out to them at 877-998-7200. This might not be something for you. It could be something that's for a loved one. For example, my son, who's in the Air Force currently, when he gets out, what's he going to do, right? This might be something that he would be interested in. So it's good to kind of have in the wheelhouse of knowledge that you could share with folks. Again, I'll put all the information in the description as well as in the comments for you. And with that, thanks so much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great one. Remember, if we don't take care of each other, something went wrong.